0 and the rear sight as a reference. Well, if the front sight is a reference, and the rear sight lined up, and then because it's a little short, I'm going to assume that this surface here is level. I'm setting this rule on top of this flat here on the charger bridge. Now, assuming that all of the British machinery was set up as it should be, and the Brits are pretty good with machining, I'm using the top edge of the rule, lining it up with the front sight to make sure it's square. And there it is. You take a look.
Alright.
What you doing? Setting it on the bridge there, holding it down, and lining up the top edge of the rule with the top ears on the front sight. Now, I already looked at the front sight, and it's not damaged, like dropped in the war or something like that. So these ears are nice and smooth. It's got the original machining marks on it, like a little waffle pattern to cut down the haze. So the tops of the ears are square with that.
Yep.
Okay. Now the other thing that you have to be aware of is the extractor cut, which should be in the right position too for the extractor to go in. Again, like I said, the Brits are pretty good at machining. They got to be, because we're in America would make a part. Engineer would design a part to use a casting and machine it. The Brits like to use 7 or 8 pieces bolted together. Okay, the extractor cut down in here is got plenty of, it's right where it should be. Okay.
All right.
So extractor cut lines up with the extractor cut in the receiver. Front sight lines up with the bridge, the charger bridge on the receiver. So now we can assume that the barrel and the receiver are clocked both at 12 o'clock. Okay.
All right.
Now let's you shut the thing down while I just take this out here.
Okay.